Okay, this is the before. Sometimes I don't get to do the video before I replace the valves. I was moving quickly. This was in the afternoon. There were tons of big roots that I had to cut out in order to even get to be able to see these valves. This valve right here was totally broken. That was the problem child for this particular upgrade. There were roots all over the place that had to be cut out. You can see there's nothing but spaghetti line all over that, and that was obviously a big problem also. So this is the before. Just wanted you to get a chance to see what was done before I had to cut all of these bad boys out and replace all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these valves. Stay tuned. Okay, and here's a quick video. I do these so fast sometimes I forget to make the videos. This is an irrigation valve replacement. I had to remove this old manifold that had a bad valve on it, and because of the way and the age of the valves, it was determined the best move was to go ahead and just remove all of the valves and upgrade them to the newest Rainbird that you have here. And the wires have been cleaned up. Before, it was a really bad cluster of wires, all types of different daisy chains from who knows how many years of different repairs, or people had just patched on to patched on to patched on. They could clean all of that up, and nice simple lines, rerouted it, and had to make a few adjustments to get it to fit in this particular area, tight space with the pavers. So you see the blocks there, they are there to support the new box, so that the weight of the box, if anyone steps on the box, it doesn't squeeze the lines. So just a really quick video just to show you the new Rainbird irrigation valves. runaway.com. Okay, and here is the final results with the new box installed. The old box was much smaller and was buried under the soil, under the surface. The irrigation panel should be at the surface level so you could access it. And this is a larger box, so you can actually get to all of the valves. This one has 5 valves. You can easily access it. You can see the wires, you can see the valves. You can do any type of service that you need to do. If you look in the corners, you'll see the box is sitting on bricks, and that keeps the box from squishing the lines and causing any types of problems. So this is the after irrigation valve replacement. For a free quote, FloridaProLawnCare.com. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook at Florida Pro Lawn Care. Until next time, peace.